Why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. Its positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your energy levels for the next day. Garlic is very common vegetable in many kitchens and is used worldwide. But did you know that some people put it under their pillows? Many people who find it difficult to fall asleep believe that putting a clove of a garlic under their pillows each night will improve their sleeping patterns. According to Steps to Health websites, the sulfur compound in garlic along with its aroma have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of one's sleep. The odor may be something to get used to at first, but after a few days, it won't be a problem and you will recognize it as the best remedy for insomnia. It even has a positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your energy levels for the next day. Along with putting garlic under your pillow, you can also eat at least one clove of a garlic a day on an empty stomach, with or without lemon. Garlic in your diet can be very beneficial to your health. Did you know that garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold? Garlic supplementation is known to boost the immune system. Cardiovascular disease causing heart attacks and strokes are the world's biggest killers. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the most important drivers for these diseases. According to studies, garlic supplementation has a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Garlic also improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of having a heart disease. Eating garlic can help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect the body against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. Next time you do grocery shopping, don't forget to add some garlic. It could be that you live in a time of vampires and werewolves. In this case, sleeping with a clove of garlic under your pillow should also be supported by a silver cross above your bed, holy water at the door, and a wooden stake at your right hand. But even if you don't live in a medieval Transylvania, there are still magical properties claimed for these legendary yet humble vegetable. It is claimed garlic can help you to have a restful sleep, that consuming it can give you a greater energy, that you can use it to ward off common cold, and that its antibacterial properties can be used to heal small wounds on the surface of the skin. What is garlic? Garlic is a root vegetable species in the onion genus. It is a native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran. It has long been used to a source of food flavoring and has been used in traditional medicine since the time of the ancient Egyptians. Ancient Romans and Greeks are said to have used it not just to flavor food but also to cure illness. It is claimed to have natural antibacterial effects which were utilized to ward off smallpox, common colds, and dropsy. Garlic has a strong aroma which lingers on the breath when ingested. It is common in dishes from the Mediterranean and Asia. It is often combined and served with onions. When cooked, the flavor is retained, but the key vitamins and minerals are lost through the heating process. The science behind garlic for insomnia. Garlic contains several nutrients including vitamins, B6, theanine. The science behind garlic for the insomnia. Garlic contains several nutrients including vitamins B6, thiamine, and pantothenic acid, vitamin C, and the dietary minerals manganese, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc. Several medical research studies have investigated the claimed effect of garlic when treating disease. There appears to be evidence which suggests high levels of garlic consumption can reduce the risk of prostate cancer in some circumstances. There is also evidence that the vitamins and trace minerals in garlic can help alleviate the effect of the common cold. There is evidence that too much topical application of garlic directly in the skin or as garlic oil on the skin can result in minor burns. In area where mosquitoes are problematic, consuming garlic can help deter them. The sulfur-containing compounds which are released when garlic cloves are crushed are natural deterrents for insects. Growing garlic amongst vegetables and flowers can also deter slugs from approaching the area. Garlic under your pillow, recipe for healthy life. From one garlic bulb, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. Take care not to crush the cloves. Retain the paper cover around the clove. Place the clove under your pillow at night. In the morning, remove the clove and discard. Repeat each night. Does the recipe work? Maybe. Some trace elements are released as the heat of your body warms the cloves. It generates an aroma which permeates the air around your pillow. Zinc, in the particular, is an element which has antibacterial effects. Does it do any harm? No, and it's not too expensive either. But don't leave each clove in place for too long. Change it daily. If you are expecting overnight guests, it is best to remove any trace of garlic and wash the bed linen to remove any lingering garlic aroma. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.